Alright, my people, good morning this morning. This is Wisdom Forex. We're going to look at this analysis together. Then we're going to see why we are going to buy or why we are going to sell this market. So we're going to start from monthly time frame. We talk this. What we are doing now is top-down analysis. We are trying to see where the possibility of buying or possibility of selling. All right. So as you can see, this is a monthly time frame. That's monthly time frame. So looking at monthly, you are going to see that we are already on the uptrend. We are on the uptrend right now on monthly. All right. See the market making low, high, low, high. But when the market came to this high, it formed resistance there. Also, you can also see this market making support here. See the market breaks up from here and it retested this line 3 times. See the first one, see the second one, see the third one. So we can say that this market is in an uptrend, a strong bullish uptrend. All right. Remember, this is monthly. We don't trade with monthly, but monthly will tells you what you are to expect. Remember, any small moves in monthly really affects daily. Seriously, affects 4 hours. Seriously. So we are going to look at this based on intraday setup, intraday trading strategy. So now we can see that monthly is bullish. Monthly is bullish. See the touch here? It came at test resistance, came back, respected the support, still went, still came back. Now you see this little bullish movement, but this is not what we are going to be looking at now. So now, but on monthly, we are able to see that the market is bullish, right? So what we are going to do now, we are going to drop down to daily time frame, weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we are still going to see. Let's go to weekly time frame. Now on weekly time frame, we are going to look at almost the same thing. So the same thing happening here. You can see that the market is making lower high, it's moving upward. But you see, when it came to this point, see the market test this support, it went up, still came back and test this support, and still came back and test this support. So our focus is on this third touch. All right. So now we are looking forward to buy on the swing trading. We are looking forward to buy on intraday sector. We are also looking forward to buy. Now on swing trading, we are just waiting for this market to give us a move up and have a reversal, then we take it up from there. All right. It's very simple. Just the same thing here. It moves up and give us a reversal, and we take it from there. It moves up, give us a reversal, and we take it from there. So we are waiting for it to move up and give us a reversal, then we take it from there to the resistance. But based on the intraday, let's get down. Now we are able to see also on weekly the touch and the touch and the touch, and it's trying to go up. Okay, now let's look at daily now. On daily time frame, you see the same thing is even happening on daily time frame. You see the touch, but let's look at it more. Let's look at it more. On daily time frame, we can see low, market making here low, it's making high here, makes another low here. It try to push up, but let's look at this very well now. This is a resistance, a very strong resistance level. Please take note. very strong resistance. Okay, this guy here, that is a very strong resistance level. Take note, very strong resistance level. Let me zoom out. Now, what am I expecting here? What am I really expecting here? Remember, most times when you have a setup, having a setup doesn't mean that you'll be having a trade, something to trade. Understand now? If your setup at the end of the day becomes invalid, it means nothing for you. Please be disciplined enough to forget it. Be disciplined enough to say, I don't have a trade. My setup is invalid. All right. So in this situation, I am looking forward to see the market coming down, dropping down to this level. Let me show you the level. This level here, and put it. Change color. Change color. The color. 145.15154. So that is the level I am hoping today or tomorrow. Today is Monday. I'm hoping for the market to give me a reversal down to this level for a possible continuation of uptrend. All right. So now, but if this market refuses to reverse to this point, if bears are no more, are not there to take the market down a little bit for reversal, if this should get to this verified resistance, my setup is invalid. Now I'll be looking for swing setup, not intraday anymore. All right. So when it gets to, if anything happened and it gets to this where this guy had this reversal, it means totally my strategy, my setup is invalid for this particular market. But for now, I am expecting this market to have a very serious reversal. Very what? Serious reversal. Today or tomorrow, should be having good reversals to this point. Then when that happens, then I'll be buying the market. We buy and hold. Now let's look at 4 hours. Now 4 hours, we can clearly see on 4 hours that the market is making low here. Market makes low here. All right, low makes high here. Then you see the market having what we call break of structure here. Low, high, low. Break of structure. You can see a break of structure to the upside. When you had the break of structure to the upside, you had a fake reversal. Fake reversal. So people that do not understand the trend, they might say, this market will be buying, it will be selling, they have position and forget about it. Understand? Fake reversal, which is normal. Fake reversal is normal in the strategy. So fake reversal, and it still had to push up a little bit. Now what we are seeing a kind of a little consolidation. Understand? So now what the market is doing, we are just watching, because you don't own the market. We are retail trader, but we are anticipating. We must always anticipate the move. So I am anticipating that the market will do what? Drop below this below line, green line. Now see, I should say that this other line here, let me change the color. Change the color to perhaps yellow. So I am expecting the market to drop to have a reversal to this point here, where you have green and brown, yellow color. I'm expecting the market to drop down to this point for us to do what? For us to buy up. For us to buy up. So we are still watching. So you can now see that on 4 hours, market is making lower high break of structure to the upside, fake reversal, and still put up, and it's giving you consolidation at this level. Remember, after consolidation, what do we have? We have movement. After consolidation is always movement. So for now, I am looking at market breaking dropping to this level here where we are 145,154. Within this level, for proper confirmation, then we buy it. But if this market decides to get to the red line and possibly tap into the red line, this level here, it means my strategy, our setup is invalid. All right. So this is your boy Wheezy. My advice to you is don't jump too early to the market. Have your trading journal. Make sure that everything you look out for to trade a certain market appear or display. If you don't display, please be very bold to make it to take it invalid. It is better for you to not to trade at all than for you to blow your account. Do not rush into market. So if you don't trade, I can tell someone the reason why you don't trade. It is very fine, which means you are a disciplined trader, than for you to jump into the market which you don't really understand and you blow your account. This is not a year to blow account. This is a year for us to recover all. Whatever the market was collecting from us when we were learning, now it is time for us to do what? Collect it back from the market. Guys, this is Wisdom Forex. Now, if this market plays out, and when we are trading this market, I also upload the live account of this particular analysis, so you see what we do. We don't hide anything. See you later. God bless you.